Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my vlog. So karon naglakaw ako going to the National Road kay mga duta sa Siquijor. So see ya.
Hala, kulang tayo ng isa. Oo.
Okay, sa pwede mo tawag rin ulos na harin.
Okay lang. Shakira.
Nakakita na rin siya.
Adda.
Alerta tagid kayo.
Nawala klaro ni Squad.
Klaro siya.
Klaro. Gakuan to siya.
Basta kainom to gabi eh.
Oo, gabi eh.
Lag roommate ni Chapla North. Oy!
Mapalpalan na di ka mo.
Patapad ka, yung ibahig na ka ng seating arrangement.
Ihawad yun ang bangay. Ano yun ang bangay? Gani. Naman tayo din napita. Ang paper bag tayo.
May baking today ng paper bag. Baling
ang paper bag tayo. Ihawad yun. Mr. Maritime nga gapalagay ang picture.
Nagpapag ko siya the whole night.
No all bricks.
Nakapamper good siya.
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might be going through some things that you would not believe.
Tuwalitas ko mga boy.
So ano yung expectations mo, ma'am, for today's ganap? Ano yung mga
expectation?
wala kang expectations?
Wala. Ito na kuan lang. Hindi tayo mag-set ng expectation.
Hi, ma'am CEO. Ano yung mga expectations mo for this group na papuntang Siquijor?
2 years.
What?
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might be going through some things that you would not believe. I'm still excited, still holding on, gonna be better than yesterday. I'm living it up. Pick my feet up off the ground. I'm living it up.
Carla.
You'll never bring me down.
Hi guys! So karon na kami sa RCM Eco Lodge. Ang nag-bag drop kami karon. We just arrived, time check, it's 10 AM. And for now, gahulat na lang mi sa mga kauban. Ang uban that changed outfit. And then ang uban, ready na sila for departure to our next destination, which is Lugnasan Falls. So keep watching. Oh, nahuman na namig bag drop, ready for Lugnasan Falls.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, correct. The birthday boy, Ma'am Kyla, say hi to the vlog.
Welcome to Siquijor.
Correct.
Punog ka sa dansang.
So karon, init man good. Going namin sa Lugnasan Falls, guys. And my driver is Sir Jeron Gabuya. Hi guys! So ni-stop mi karon sa Dagsa Resto Bar. Nagpa-reserve me for our dinner venue tonight.
Yes.
Currently I'm with my friends Jomara, Kyla, and Jiran. Yes. And here is the rest of the gang. Diba? So before mi mo ato sa Lugnasan Falls, mga to sa misa. Ay, nagpa-reserve sa misa mong dinner venue for tonight. Okay, see ya!
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired.
Say hi sa vlog, kuya.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Correct.
I might be weak. I might be going through some things with
Saya lang kuya, pwede.
Hi guys! Nanami, padulong nami sa Lugnasan
We
Falls.
cannot understand Tagalog kuya eh.
Register nami. Dayong...
Bisaya lang kuya.
Saan siya sasaba kayo nga background?
Saan nagot ka, Jiro?
Pakanaog nami.
Hala, ang tuwala niya.
Yabi din ako.
Ang yabi. Basi bawa.
Jero, na mong yabi, ma'am? Ano ko
Bra, anak ko bra. Mga taga Dumaguete mo lang sila. Bra, taga Dumaguete na bra.
Kisay taga Dumaguete, day?
Kanang itong mga boys dito.
Ah, okay. Cool.
Ano ulit? Pagkao.
Muding gikutasan dahil. Ano ang stocks?
Grabe, miga balon. So, sa ganahan mato sa Lugnasan Falls, magdala mog balon kay wala daw pagkaon sa venue. Okay? Pero pareha na mga backpackers, ninja move ra ni siya. Kinauboy ra jud ang show, so mga adorami kay maligo. And then mo exit ra po dayon kay mukaon mig lunch somewhere else. Wala man mi balon kay dili man mi taga diri. So, maura to, see you later.
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might be going through some things that you would not believe. I'm still excited, still holding on, gonna be better than yesterday. I'm living it up, pick my feet up off the ground. I'm living it up, you'll never bring me down.
What do you say about the view? It's so interesting. Agoy! Agusok! Ligo ba? Sorry.
Bantay mo, inito
Pictures?
Lagaw, magdagat.
Ay, imong cellphone din mo rin. Laling.
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might be going through some things that you would not believe. I'm still
Hi guys! So naami karon sa Czechish. Time check 12 noon. It's lunchtime. Gikan mi sa Lugnasan Falls and we'll be having our lunch here. Same thing. I'm still with my friends. It's lunchtime. See you later guys. Hi guys! Update. Time check 1 p.m. We just finished our lunch from Czechish. And karon mangadto na mi sa Pintugo Cliff. So, keep watching.
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I
Magandang
can
hapon. Pupunta na po kami sa Pintugo.
Nalito na tayo sa Pintugo Cliff.
This is the
Very nice night.
happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might be going through some things that you would not believe. I'm still excited, still holding on, gonna be better than yesterday. I'm living it up, pick my feet up off the ground. I'm living it up. You'll never bring me down.
Day kan ada. Dito ang tango. Ice cream.
Oh, biar mo gali.
How was it?
Very nice.
What's the flavor?
I don't know what it is, but still ice cream.
Nice. Sir, pagkaon sa ice cream, ganun ka makita sa ice cream na imong tango. Easy. Masay flavor mo yun? Masay lasa?
Lasang ice cream. Malain ka. Yung stiff ka. Yung tumpas.
Hi guys! Update. Time check. 2 p.m. Ika namin sa Pintugo Cliff. Now we're heading to RCM Eco Lodge to check in. Naara na mag-ibigin ang luggage na mo dito among mga things. But wala pa siya na-check-in sa individual rooms kay 2 p.m. na check-in sa Eco Lodge. So going there, quick change, mag-power nap or mag-charge, and then going out na po later sa beach Paliton Beach for the sunset. So maura to, keep watching.
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might be going through some things that you would not believe. I'm still excited, still holding on, gonna be better than yesterday. I'm living.
Sorry. Hi guys! Time check is 3:16 p.m. and currently papunta kami ng Paliton Beach for the sunset viewing. So doon kami mag-spend ng the entire afternoon. Maybe we'll try to take some pictures, roam around the beautiful place of Paliton Beach, and then sana may sunset kasi medyo gloomy ngayon, and I hope we can witness the beautiful sunset there in Paliton Beach. So, see ya! Guys, pasulod kami sa dalan pa yung Paliton Beach, but we're a little bit worried because kataligsik abutan ni og na pa mi sunset maabtan murag wala jud, pero ang panikamutan o mag-enjoy sa mga offer sa Paliton Beach. Basig mag picture na lang sama, but we'll see you later. Ganahan ko
May video na. May
ay
video.
orak.
Parang niya ba? Sunod ba? Sunod.
Ay kami muna.
Kamu ilas. Sa likod mo mag-video ba?
Sige.
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through.
Ginagawa mo.
Tuyok, tuyok, ma'am, tuyok. Go.
Oh. Hello, karon pa na sa record.
Ay, again, from the top. Sige.
Ito lang sa godan.
Muna ang ganahan nga swing. Hi guys, so naano mi karon diri sa Paliton Beach, as you can see, and the weather is quite gloomy. Humid siya, nga wala kay gawas ang sun, and so sad ka kasi ang water, ang sand, madagan siyang sagbot. Makita niyo sa video. Yeah, so and unfortunately, dili ko picture sa sand castle kay gikakasyag iro. So medyo malas meron diri. But we're just making the best of what we can do here. Nag-picture lang me and i-enjoy na mo ang moment with each other. So that's it for now. Keep watching. I know nga it's not your first time here, but nganong nibalik ka sa Siquijor and unsay naa diri nga imong ganahang balik-balikan?
Hindi ka nakita sa Siquijor og laing nga Siquijor. And Siquijor, hindi siya, is full of nature lover ta.
Unsay best spot diri sa Siquijor nga imong ma-recommend?
Paliton Beach.
And why?
Lami ang beach, lami ang sand, white beach, and lami ang feeling ni mo nga mura ka sa nature.
Lami. Thank you. Hi ma'am, I know nga it's not your first time here in Siquijor, right? Third time. So nga nang gabalik-balik ka sa Siquijor? What's with Siquijor?
I love the beach.
I love
the beach and the beach.
Perfect. So unsay imong pinaka best spot nga imong ma-recommend in Siquijor?
Paliton.
Ooh, why?
It's so nice. The sand very what do you call this one? No, very small. The sand is very nice.
Perfect. Thank you. Welcome to Siquijor. Guys, kani kay kabalo kung dili ni siya bag-o sa Siquijor, dili siya within this month, correct? Oh.
Google na. Moblin.
Unsa imong ma-recommend sa Siquijor? Nganong gabalik-balik man ka sa Siquijor?
Night party.
Wow.
Nightlife.
Asa nga lugar ang lami kay partihan?
Backpackers.
Kano? Thank you. Hi sir.
Hello.
First time ka sa Siquijor?
Yes.
First timer?
Dilay.
Kapila na nimo? Second time. Asa imuhang lugar nga ma-recommend sa Siquijor?
Sa Lagdoong.
Ooh. Unsa may naadig tuog ngano man siyang imo yung ikapang hinambog sa mga newbies?
Mga gaubo. Mga tao. Mga people.
Okay, bigi ko. O unsa imong masulti karon nga naa karon ni balik sa Siquijor?
Chada. Happy.
Okay, thank you.
Oscar.
Hi ma'am, may hapon. Ma'am, nara ko'y gamayng pangutanang ikapila nimong ari diri karon sa Siquijor?
Third times.
Wow. And nganong gabalik-balik man ka sa Siquijor?
I love the ambience. People are very kind and very accommodating at the same time.
Wow. Last question, unsay pinaka best nga spot sa Siquijor nga imo jung ma-recommend sa mga wala pa kaanhi?
Mga Russian.
Paliton.
Why? Nga naman, unsay naa sa Paliton nga wala sa ubang location?
Beach and the beaches.
The girls.
Pause. Ikapila nimong ari diri sa Siquijor?
Second time na nako.
Wow. And sure nakauyon jud ka sa Siquijor kani balik man ka, di ba? Unsay ma-recommend nimo nga location sa Siquijor?
Katong Pitogo.
Pitogo Cliff. Okay. Unsay naa digto nga nakauyon man jud kas lugar.
Ice girls.
Ha?
Ay.
Huy!
Dili, wala ang kwan ra ba? Ang view ra.
View, nice view. Ah, okay, yeah. I agree.
Napag-view skilled ba?
I agree. Ganan po ko dito. Thank you! Hi, ma'am! Mayang hapon! I know nga dili nimo first time sa Siquijor, correct?
Yeah, it's not.
And nga no man jud kang gabalik-balik diri.
The island itself is very tempting. The tourist spots are very inviting. And the people itself are very accommodating.
Wow, I agree. And unsay pinaka-best na kuan redundant sa but pinaka-ganahan nimong ma-recommend or pinaka-paborito nimong spot sa Siquijor? And why?
I say that there is a best spot, but I think I would like to invite everyone to visit all the spots here in Siquijor Island, because when you miss one, you miss half of it. So you have to visit all. Come to Siquijor.
Thank you! Hi ma'am, good afternoon.
Sa Visala.
Kanang ikapila nimong ari diri sa Siquijor?
Actually, this is my third time to be here in Siquijor.
Oh, wow! And gano kang gabalik-balik diri?
Actually, I just love the people. I just love the vibe. Everything about Siquijor is fantastic and amazing.
Correct, tuod jud ko aron. And if ikaw ang mo invite sa mga wala pa kaanhi diri, unsay best spot nga imong ma-recommend sa Siquijor?
Well, for me, the best recommendation is the Paliton Beach. And aside from that, we have the falls, the Lugnasan Falls. I love that one.
Wow, thank you!
Thank you so much.
Kani kay muna siya among representative sa BUOS for Ginoong Amlan 2023 o Mr. Maritime 2024. Hi, Bench!
Hi!
Naara ko'y gamayng pangutana, pwede ra ba makadisturbos imuhang panahon karon?
Sure.
Okay. So, is it your first time here to be here in Siquijor?
Yes, it's my first time actually.
Wow! So, given nga first time ni mo ni, what is your first impression of Siquijor?
Nice kayo. Wonderful ang place. Ang views, ang mga tao, ang food. Nice kayo. I'd like to invite you all to come and visit here in Siquijor if you have time. Very aside sa lugar, majestic kayong place.
Wow, I agree. Mutuod jud ko aron. And if you are to recommend Siquijor, would you want to invite people to visit here?
Of course, yes.
Okay. So thank you, Bench. Thanks for your time. Hi, Shakira. Good afternoon. Nakoy gamayng questions nimo. Is it your first time to be here in Siquijor?
Yes.
Ay, as in?
First time.
So what's your impression?
Amazing and wonderful.
Ooh, wow. Unsa imo mga gina-expect nga mahitabo?
Kani lang beach nga samot ang beach party.
Ah, okay.
Pero ang nice jud ang ilang mga beach.
Oh, okay. Unsa imong gi-look forward nga mahitabo sa atong imong pag-ari diri karon sa Siquijor?
Ang ako lang is ma-enjoy ko ang pag-explore sa mga lugar diri.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Question. Ikapila nimong niari diri sa Siquijor?
I think thrice.
Wow. So, nakauyon jud ka, correct?
Very correct.
Unsa may naa diri nga imong gibalik-balikan?
I believe the tourist spots here in Siquijor as well as the people.
Perfect. I agree. Unya, unsay best pinaka lami nga lugar nga imong ma-recommend diri og nakauyon jud ka?
Cambugahay Falls.
Wow. Ngano man?
First time na ko nakakita og katong mga katong bitay-bitay ba nga maling siya daan, the water is very clean. Same time kung nasa guide kuan ka nang i-accommodate ka pag ayo ba and safe ang ilahang paan dito mga.
Correct. I agree. And if you are to invite sa mga wala pa nakaari,
sa wala pa nakaari diri sa island, majestic island of Siquijor, book now daw ani jud mo kay Chada jud siya. Bye.
Thank you.
believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree.
Hi guys, time check, it's 4 p.m. Currently na kami sa Paliton Beach, and again, together with me are still my FNBY friends. Beside me is Lanorth. Hello! So karon, pamauli nami, gikan nami sa Paliton Beach, manami picture-picture, and we had some fun. So going home nami, and mag-change outfit kay we'll have our dinner at Dagsa, and then we'll go party to JJ's party club. See ya! Hi guys! So update, it's 6 p.m. and we're now heading to Dagsa to have our dinner. So see ya there!
I'm feeling brand new. I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree. I think I figured it out. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might be going through some things that you would not believe. I'm still excited, still holding on, gonna be better than yesterday. I'm living it up, pick my feet up off the ground. I'm living it up, you'll never bring me down. It's something inside of me, something you can't see. Gonna keep my head up high. I might be tired, I might be weak, I might
Thanks so much for being here with us. You're welcome.
Thank you! 1, 2, 3, go! Blue na it!
Eternity later.
Murag si Paul din lagi nag
Wala, okay, wala. Dili siya katulog dito. Diya rin siya ko niya. Nadugkuan to matong na to. Dito natulog. Silang Jeron. O, sino yung lalapitan? O, sige. Gilid guys. Ano ko bang? Gilid ba? Oo na ba? Wala ka gilid. Naskambo na.
Wala siya kumuyambi.
Hi guys! Time check is 11 a.m. So, karon na nga ulan is among lunch going home. Nihapit mi dito sa Karinderia along the way to the pier. So, wala na may activities for today. Pagkapoy ang mga tao. So, I think this will be the end of this vlog. See you next time!
I believe I can pull through. There ain't no stopping me now. This is the new me, feeling happy and carefree.